I'm in the 66 Caprice big block Survivor car that I bought last week. And I just cold started this thing to take it to work, and I thought this was really cool. It's the first time I've ever seen this on a dash of a Chevrolet. Probably because they don't work, and I don't know if it's exclusive to the 66 Caprice, but I think the dash is the same as the 66 Impala. But anyway, when the car is cold, until it warms up and gets to a certain operating temperature, you get this really cool light that tells you cold. When's the last time anybody's seen one of those work? I've never seen it work. And now, also, just so as long as we're here, look at how nice and clean this thing is. Look at the wood grain on it. Look at the AC vents. Look at the plastic chrome. Normally all this stuff is screwed up. Look at the mirror mount. Normally those are pitted. I haven't cleaned anything up yet. This is strictly the way it came. What a time capsule. Holy cow. Someone's gonna get really lucky with this car. Look at power windows. It's got the power antenna. There's the switch for it under there. What an unmolested, really, really, really cool car. We're gonna finish debugging it, do some suspension work, bushings, that kind of thing that it needs. We just did shocks on it, and then it'll be ready for the next owner. The headliner in this thing, absolutely amazing. And also, look at the seam on the sun visors. Those are almost always apart, if not the sun visor completely destroyed, but I've very rarely ever seen where the little stitching isn't rotted out. Wow, super cool.